Hi, I'm David Westall, and welcome to another instalment of our What Is series. Today's topic of conversation is on potential fair reasons for dismissal. So what is a potential fair reason for dismissal? Well, dismissal is a term used when employment is ended by the employer, and by law, there are 5 potential fair reasons for doing so. The first one is conduct, when an employee does something that is inappropriate or not acceptable. Conduct dismissals come from either continued misconduct, where a number of previous warnings may have been issued prior to the one that finally dismisses the employee, or gross misconduct, where the offence was so serious as to warrant terminating the employment. For example, theft, physical violence, or offences that would generally break the trust of confidence in that employee. Capability is the second one, and this applies when an employee is not able to do their job or just not have the right qualifications. The inability to do their job may not just be down to the lack of skills, but it may also include the inability due to health reasons. The third one is redundancy, when a job is no longer needed, and this is usually caused by business closure, site closure, a reduction of need for employees to carry out a particular kind of work, or reorganisation at least of one or more of these. The fourth one is a legal reason, when an employee cannot do their job legally. For example, a licence has been revoked, like a lorry driver who's banned from driving. The fifth potential fair reason for dismissal is some other substantial reason, also known as SOSR, a term used for a wide variety of other situations. Other situations could include the termination of a fixed-term contract, a third-party pressure situation, for example, where a client refuses to work with an employee of yours on their site, or an employee refusing to agree to new terms and conditions of employment. For each of the 5 potential fair reasons for dismissal, you should follow a clear, fair and reasonable process. When dealing with conduct issues, for example, the ACAS Code of Practice should be adhered to as a minimum. It's strongly recommended that you get the right advice before dismissing anyone. And there you have it, the 5 potential fair reasons for dismissal.